What you doing down there, Cap?
Patching a hole.
Why?
Because I made a hole in a 16-inch irrigation pipe. Big fiber cement pipe.
All right.
How are you and Ruby fixing it?
Hydraulic cement. This stuff's wild, dude. So it sets up in like 3 minutes. So you only mix a little bit. It's just as much as you need. And then we're gonna put a mesh patch over it and slather it up. And then we're gonna put a couple layers on it. And then for belt and suspenders, we're gonna encase the whole pipe in concrete.
Show me that mesh again, Ruby.
Isn't it cool? I kind of put stuff like this in people, like bladder slings and stuff when I did surgery. And then we just fold it up in there and suture it in and skin. It was awesome.
Wild.
I know.
That was
There'd probably
really,
be a lawsuit out after it now. I don't know.
That's expensive stuff. This is not expensive stuff.
Oh no. I saw MacGyver do this once on a, 57 Chevy pickup. Keep it from leaking. Love it. I mean, I've never used JB Weld, but I've used Hydros mud. It's so funny.
Fast setting quickcrete on. Now what are you doing?
So now what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna box the pipe in concrete, sort of a belt and suspender sort of thing. So we're gonna put up some little forms, pour some decent concrete in there, a pretty dry mix because it's gonna suck up water from the pipe itself and from the ground. And then about an hour from now, we'll turn the ditch back on. Summer, every season, we stock up on quickcrete. So we can go to the store and buy it, of course, but it seems like every time I need something like this, I need it right now. So this year we got 3 pallets that live in a shipping container at the shop, and sure enough, we needed some concrete right now. So we just drove it over, and here we go.
So Ruby, we had a whole day of work yesterday, and I added another half a day to it with my little oops. We got our oops fixed though.
It could have been so much worse. This was nothing.
Ruby, I know people don't know this about you because they don't get to hang out with you. Like, anytime something goes wrong, what do you say to me?
That's the worst thing could happen today, Cappie. It's easy peasy.
Every time, you guys, I'm not kidding. So, pallet of quickcrete, we won't need all this, we just have in pallets. We patched the hole in our pipe with some quickcrete hydraulic cement, and then we just put some little temporary forms up there. So what we're gonna do is pour concrete around this pipe to encase it, and then we're gonna finish backfilling.
Make it super strong, and it's gonna last forever.
And no more oopsies for Cappie today.
We're just starting.